Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Grok error, and the error is this model is temporarily unavailable, please try a different model. So if you're getting this error in the Grok app, then here follow the fixes. Now let me tell you, you are not the only one who are facing this problem. There are lots of users facing this problem because this error generally occurs when Grok server status gets offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages. If you check the down detector website for the Grok, you will see user reports show problem with Grok. And when you scroll down and see the graph, you can see so many users have reported the problem. So they are facing the server issues. Maybe their server is down, having outage or under maintenance, and hence you are getting this error. So this is not the problem from your side, but this problem is from the Grok side. So you have to just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. In the meantime, you can follow these fixes. Open Play Store, tap on search for Grok and search for it and tap on it. And if you see any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can launch it and check if a problem is solved or not. Alternatively, you can also open the Chrome browser and go to the grok.com website, and you can ask anything. Now you can see that they are facing the high demand, please try again soon or sign up for free to get higher priority access. So you can sign in and then check, but if still you see high demand or this model is temporarily unavailable, please try a different model, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.